One minute. Record is going to say yes. So we already have covered the pneumatic, pneumatic controller, pneumatic valve. Sorry. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the hydraulic valve. Okay, principle of how the hydraulic valves will work. Okay. Then after this completion of the hydraulic valve, we will start with the electro uh, hydraulic valve. Okay, how the electro hydraulic valve will work. Okay. So you can see here the word hydraulics simply uh, you know mimic with the fluid or liquid when the it is correlated with the liquid force. So whatever the power generated by the liquid, that is comes under the category of the hydraulic. Okay. So hydraulic means, let's say this is the, you can see here, this is one of bottle. So the area of this bottle is, let's say, 1 inch square or 1 square inch, and you are providing the force 10 pounds here. Okay. So obviously the pressure will generate the 10 psi, right? Or you can say the 10 psi pressure inside this. So the 10 pound of the force, whatever you can say. So let's say we are saying that the force is applying here to 10 pounds, then the pressure is generated here. Okay. So whatever the pressure applied on the continued fluid is transmitted in all the direction with equal force or equal area, right? So इसका हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We are taking the advantage of this P1A1 PA. So you can see here, this is the input force and this is the output force. Okay. So once the force is applied here in the area of the 1 inch square with the pressure 1 psi, right? So you can see here the 100 pounds of, when the area of this tank is increased by 100 times, okay, then you can see that the force will generate of the 100 pounds. Okay. So आप इसको क्या किया, आपका फोर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जा रहा है कितने से, 100 टाइम्स से, सेम आप इसको ट्रांसमिट कर रहे हैं. तो इट मींस सिंस द लिक्विड ट्रांसमिट द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर in all the direction, the force transmitted to the output piston is multiplied by the factor equal to the area ratio, multiplied by the area, right? So the area will, the force will increase, right? So now you can see the hydraulic components of the hydraulic pneumatic system. Then we will discuss the different types again. So you can see here, this one is the power supply by which the, and this is the hydraulic pump by which the water or something, the gear system will be operated. Okay. This is the valve, and this valve is generally we are using in the industry bidirectional. Okay. Directional valve. Okay. Directional valve is generally using here. It is a bidirectional, two way. The directional valve may be of category of 2-way, 3-way, right, or 4-way. It depends on the requirement. Here we have the two directional bidirectional valve is here. How it will work? This is the this known as scoop valve, or I don't remember the name exactly. I will tell you, right? So this is the valve, and this is one the cylinder by which the force will be actuated. Okay. So let's say this is the liquid, whatever the liquid is flowing, transmitted from this side to the cylinder, and let's say the force, when we increase this one, then this direction of this one is going to upward, and when it will decrease, then this will going to the downward direction, right? On the principle of this will work. We will see in the next slide. And this one, the reservoir where the total liquid is going to store, right? So you can see here, these are the different types of the things or the items containing in the hydraulic and pneumatic system. One is the first, the fluid. Generally we are using oil for the hydraulic system and air for the pneumatic system, as you know. Okay. Reservoir is a simply storage tank. Hydraulic pump, this is the compressor in the pneumatics, and here we are using the hydraulic pump. In the pneumatic system, we are using the compression. We have already seen, right? And in the hydraulic valve, we are using the pump. Okay, this convert the mechanical energy to hydraulic energy by forcing the fluids from the reservoir into the system. Okay, it is used for the circulation from one equipment, one section to other section, right? So let's say this is the reservoir. So reservoir से if the what is the use of the hydraulic pump, ये क्या करेगा, इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक regulate कराएगा, right? Next, the fluid lines. Fluid lines means these are the connection of pipes which used for the transportation of the fluid to the and from the pump through the hydraulic system. As you can see here, this is a valve. This valve is generally we have already discussed. This is a bidirectional valve. Okay, and valve is used for the control pressure, direction, and flow rate of the hydraulic fluid. Next one, the actuator. This is the actuator, right? So what the use of actuator? Actuator will convert the energy, hydraulic energy, into the mechanical energy, right? So you can see here, this one is a directional control valve. Okay, and with the help of this control valve, all this hydraulic system is going to work. Okay, so in the hydraulic, I'm not going to discuss the mathematics behind this lifting force. You may develop with the help of the principle. We have mass Newton law, right? With the help of the Newton law, you can discuss it. Okay, so one problem is there. Let's say there's a brake of the car, of the hydraulic car, and when you put your paddle into the brake, then how this car is going to braked or unbraked, है ना, उसको उस पे एक आपको मॉडल डेवलप करना है. I will give a numerical example for the segment. Okay, so try to do. So this is the direction control valve. Direction control valve, we have the different symbol here in the control, this scoop valve. So P, T, A, B. P and T is for the pressure port. This is the pressure port, is this in the P, and T or the R. इसको कहीं कहीं R भी represent करते हैं, और we are representing with the help of the T also. So it is for the return port or the tank, right? मतलब क्या है? The pressure is going from this P, right? Pressure is transmitted from P, and the back में return से किधर से आ रहा है? Return से T से आ रहा है. So this is for the P and T. What is the significance of P and T? Pressure is transmitted from reservoir to the cylinder is going from the P point. However, from cylinder to reservoir, it is going from the T point. Okay, so उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये T और P, ये आपका क्या होगा? ये जो आप पोजीशन देख रहे हैं, दिस पोजीशन, सारा गेम जो है इसमें, all the game is done by the directional control valve. डायरेक्शनल कंट्रोल वाल्व से ही सारा कुछ डिसाइड होगा, सारा कंट्रोल हो रहा है. इसको आप ऊपर नीचे, मतलब आप इसको स्लाइड करेंगे, देन द पोजीशन ऑफ दिस वाल्व इज गोइंग टू चेंज एंड द फ्लो इज गोइंग टू अकॉर्डिंगली विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस द पोर्ट. ठीक है, सो एंड ए एंड बी सिंपल अदर पोर्ट्स. ओके, तो आप इसको देखिए, इसमें और इसमें व्हाट द डिफरेंस? व्हेन डिफरेंस इज, जब आपने जब इसको नीचे स्लाइड किया, देन ये आप जो लिखकर देख रहे हैं, व्हाट एवर द फ्लूइड इज हेयर, द फ्लूइड इज मोटराइज्ड. ओके, और इसको जो पंप से आपने क्या किया, इसको ऊपर की ओर भेजा, यहां से ये ओपन हो गया, दिस वन इज ओपन एंड सेंड टू द सिलेंडर, एंड द पिस्टन इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द डाउनवर्ड. ओके, एंड द लोड इज गोइंग टू पुट इट ऑन द सरफेस. ठीक है, ओके, और जो आपका लिखकर यहां बचा, जो आप फोर्स के चलते, दिस विल कम डाउनवर्ड, and then whatever the liquid or the fluid or the oil is here, okay, it is moving from this to this side. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, second is the, let's say we have to drift. Okay, we have to lift the load. So the force is going from this side, from, देखिए आप इसको देखिए, पोर्ट आपका B खुला हुआ है, तो P से B की तरफ जा रहा है. The port is the transmission is going from P to B. In this, P to A, right? P to A से जा रहा है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है, P से B की तरफ जा रहा था, right? तो P से B की तरफ जा रहा है, तो ये आपका increase कर रहा है, right? The liquid inside this area is going to increase, and therefore it is shifted upward. And due to the upward, whatever the liquid or the oil is here, moving in this direction and again return to the reservoir. Okay, and by this mode, the control action is happening inside the hydraulic control valve, right? So the main role is, we can say, the main role playing is from the current direction control valve or the scoop valve. It is also called a scoop valve, right? ठीक है, okay. So ये आपका देखा न्यूट्रल है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. So this is the valve, okay. This is the, you can say, this is the different types of valve. ठीक है जी. तो ओके, तो आज हम यहीं तक रखते हैं इसको, लिफ्टिंग हाइड्रोलिक वाल्व तक. ठीक है, कल हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रो हाइड्रोलिक वाल्व नेक्स्ट में, और उसके बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द सिलेबस इज ऑलरेडी ओवर, सो not need to worry, right? If you want to ask any query, you can ask.